Good morning students, hope you all are well. So our today's video is about the next chapter, that is food and health. So in our daily life we need food, we need proper food. So why we need food? Because food gives us energy to work and to play. It helps us for our proper growth and development of our body, right? It makes our body strong and healthy. So for this reason we need food. So good food, what is a good food? So good food means it is rich in essential nutrients. Now you will think, what is nutrients? So nutrients are some special chemical substances that are essential for the healthy growth and development of the human body. In our food, which food we are taking daily, so in our food we have 5 types of nutrients. So what are those? Let's see. These are carbohydrate, fat, protein, vitamin and minerals. Okay, so the 5 nutrients are carbohydrate, protein, fat, vitamin and minerals. So our body needs all these 5 type of nutrients, and it also needs some roughage and also water. Water is also very important for our healthy body. So all these type of nutrients have their function to perform inside our body, and if we will not take the proper nutrients, then there will be formation of some disease in our body. Okay, so now let's see what are the functions of these components and what are the sources of these essential components. So the first one is carbohydrate. Okay, so what is the function of carbohydrate? Carbohydrate gives us energy. So why we need energy? We need energy to do any physical work, for play. Okay, sugar and starch are the form of carbohydrates. So carbohydrate has two forms, sugar and starch. Now let's see what are the sources of carbohydrate. We can find this carbohydrate in rice, wheat, maize, corn, potato, bread and sugar. Okay, so these are the sources of the component carbohydrate. Next one is fat. It is also essential component. So fat also gives us energy, right? So and it gives more energy than carbohydrates. Now let's see what are the sources of fat. Butter, ghee, vegetable oil, cheese, different types of dry fruits, meat, cheese, cream. These are the sources of fat. Okay, so what is the function of fat? It gives us huge amount of energy. They stored in our body to provide energy for later use, and fat also help us to keep our body warm. So all these are the functions of fat. The next component is protein. Okay, protein is mainly essential for the proper growth and development. It helps for the building of muscles in our body and also for repairing of worn out tissues. In our body we have different type of tissues and cells, so this protein component help in the repairing of damaged tissue. Worn out means damaged tissue. So what are the sources of protein? Soybean, milk, meat, fish, egg and pulses. These are the sources of protein. Protein also helps in growing children, like you all small children, because it helps in the proper growth of the muscles and proper growth of our body. And the next and the last one, that is vitamin and minerals. Okay, although this protein, fat and carbohydrate, this these three components are required in huge amount in our body, but these vitamins and minerals we require very small amount of this. But if there is lack of this small quantity, then it develops some disease. So vitamin helps our body to fight against different several diseases. Minerals keep our body healthy and fit, and they also help to strengthen our bones and muscles, our teeth, and they maintain the normal functioning of our body. So let's see what are the sources of the vitamins and minerals. Fruits and vegetables, fish, egg and milk. So these are the sources of vitamins and minerals. Now as you can see, this potato, bread, sugar, all these are the carbohydrates, and they are known as the energy giving food. Fat and carbohydrate, they are known as the energy giving food. Why? Because they gives us energy. Next you can see these are the bodybuilding food, that is egg, fish, milk, cheese. So proteins, these are the examples of proteins, and proteins are called the growth food or the bodybuilding food. And the next one is all kind of fruits and vegetables. So they are the vitamins and minerals, and they are known as the protective food because they protect our body from various types of diseases. So there are different types of vitamins. What are the vitamins? Vitamin A, vitamin B, vitamin C, vitamin D, vitamin E and vitamin K. So there is 6 types of vitamins, and also some important minerals are also present there, like iron, potassium, calcium and iodine. So all these are very important minerals that we need in our body for the proper growth and development and to fight against some diseases.